Hello and welcome to Creating with Karen again. We're going to make that cuff bracelet that you saw in the beginning of the video. But what I'm using, I'm going to use the inside, the cardboard inside of a roll of tape. I use a lot of duct tape and a lot of tape, and I just hate to see these go to waste. And I figure it's a good way to recycle paper, help a tree out. So I have my cardboard roll, my Aleene's original tacky glue, a dish for the glue and a brush for applying it, scissors for cutting. I have black suede and my denim. I'm going to do a match for the headband, the denim headband with the black suede cord embellishment. I'm going to make a bracelet to go with that. With the denim was not quite long enough what I had, so I'm going to have to use two pieces, which I do quite often. I'll just connect another piece on the inside to finish it. I'm falling short by about that much, but that's okay. We can fix it, we can work with it. So I really want to say thank you for joining me, and thank you for liking my videos and subscribing. I do appreciate each and every one of you. All of my projects are available in my Etsy store, which is the Nina Rae Collection. The link will be in the description box. Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to take the brush and I'm going to apply a nice amount of the Aleene's tacky glue on the inside of the cardboard round, the base of my bracelet, and on the outside of it. Nice amount. And what I'm going to do, I'm taking my longer piece and I'm going to place it on the inside. Okay, just wipe my hands a little bit. I'm going to place it on the inside and bring it around. And I'm bringing it around on an angle. This is going to be on an angle. And what I'm going to do is overlap that edge. I'm not putting a whole lot of tension on it. Probably if I had stretched this has spandex in it, I could have gotten all the way around. But I don't want to put any tension on this. I don't want any problems with getting it to hold. So I'm wrapping it around and I'm tucking that raw edge and I'm just wrapping it around just on the edge here. I know, like I said, I'm not putting any tension. As you can see, you can see how short it is. So I'm going to continue around and I'm going to apply some glue. Apply the tacky glue. Nice amount sort of hold. There we are. And I'm going to take my spare piece. Well, I have to also apply it in here where I'm going to overlap it. Let's see. Just going to apply it. I'm going to take my little spare piece and I'm going to apply it to the inside. And it's just a little place that I have to cover here. Hold on. Here we go again. I'm going to cover the inside right here. make sure I have it going in the right direction. Oh, I gotta turn it around. I have it in the wrong direction. My bad. So I'm gonna have it go around this way. Bring it in some. Place it here. Now I got it. Bring it around. And that's it. That's all we had to do. But I have to make sure this edge is folded. Like all the rest. Here we go. So we have that done. Getting some of the flakes off. And what I'm going to do is cut. If you see my other videos, I said I was going to get a better pair of scissors. I haven't done it yet. So I'm just going to cut. There we go. And fold. Apply a little bit more glue. Get the cap off. I haven't taken the cap off, so I'm just going to pour a little bit more in the dish here. Doesn't take much. So I'm going to apply around, and I put the little extension on. And what I'm going to do, because I am going to make this a match for this to be worn together, I'm going to put only the suede cord around it. So when I added the extra piece, I left it open for now, because what I'm going to do is apply a little glue by Aleene's Tacky Glue on the inside flap, and that's where I'm going to start my cord, my suede cord. So it's going to secure it a little bit better. It's going to hide that end. Okay, so I'm just going to apply some glue right in that flap, that little opening, and I'm going to insert my suede and press, and that'll hide that in. Okay, and just like I did with the headband, I'm bringing the suede around in the opposite direction of the folds, the way it's laying. So just bringing it around. And that way, I left the yellow off this project because I wanted to be able to wear it to be able to be worn with just about anything. I'm going around. Almost there. Moving it over. I'm just making sure these are spaced evenly. So I'm going to cut all of the excess cord. And what I'm going to do, just like I did the end that I started with, I'm going to put that cord underneath the flap as well. Apply a little bit of glue. And there we go. And I'm going to hold it down. Now, here it is. And we also have a coordinating headband to be worn together. Well, thank you for joining me. This project and all my other projects are available for sale on my Etsy channel. I'm sorry, in my Etsy store. The Nina Rae Collection. The link to it will be down in the description box. Please, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be giving away some great prizes. And just maybe you. Alright? I appreciate you joining me. I appreciate the support. And stay tuned for my next project. Bye.